Hello there, this is the second video of the complete KiCad course. In this video, we are going to go from here all the way to there. So in the last video or the first video, we just learned to add the components like resistor, LED and battery. So in this video, we are going to wear them and add the footprints to them and assign their values. So let's start this video right now, and I highly recommend you check out the course in the link added in the description and also in the display you can see. So visit the course and enroll yourself so you can get all the necessary notes and the quizzes. So let's start this video right now. So in the last video we just did this, added the VCC, the resistor, LED and the ground. So now we are going to wear this to make a complete circuit. So you can use this icon here in the right side, draw wares. Take it and just right click and then add one. Or you can use the short key or hotkey W, connect to this resistor and the other terminal to this LED, and this will be connected to the ground. So we have made the complete circuit. So you can move any component like the resistor, so just change it. You can move, but see, the LED is detached from the circuit. If you don't want to detach it, just drag it. You just press D and it will attach to the wires and you can drag it anywhere in the circuit. So just place it, and now the circuit is complete. So after completing the circuit, you can change, or at the beginning you can change the page name, title or everything. So just go to the file and then page settings. Just here you can see the title name. I have named it KiCad tutorial class 2 and revision. So you can write any revision, like for the first revision you can press 1.01 or the version, and the date, today's date, you place it. So yep, that's it. Now we will assign their values, like the R1 is the resistor and we will assign a value here. So just press E to open the value field. So here the value is R, or just change this value to 220 ohm and place it. And this one is our LED, so I just want this to be a blue LED, so add blue or just use red. Okay, assign it. And the VCC, so we also need the battery holder in the VCC, so let's place the battery holder here. Just add A and we will add the battery cell. So use the battery cell and place it anywhere right there. Okay, we have assigned the battery, but you see in the line there the VCC is over the line, so you can change it just moving the name VCC. Just select this VCC and place it here, and then use the battery cell here, and everything is fine. So now we are going to check the electrical rules checker to check if everything is okay or not. So for right now we can see the circuit is quite okay based on our electrical engineering experience or physics. So just use the electrical rules checker. So there will be an error and a few warnings. A common error will come. So first of all, just run the ERC. So after running the ERC, you can see two problems: pin not connected, battery negative, passive, and input power not driven by any of the output pins. I mean, we have to ensure this electrical check rules checker, the input or the VCC. So here in the VCC, it's the power line. We have to assure this. So to assure this, we have to use a flag. Just press P and you will have the power flag. Just search PWR and you will find the power flag. So this ensures the electrical rule checker that this VCC is actually the power source. So just place one here, assign there, and add another at the end terminal. So press P again, and the power flag placed here and weird. So right now check the ERC, run this, and you see there is no error, or there's warning, but you can skip the warning. It's not mandatory to check it. Okay, now we will go over adding net levels. Like in this page you can make multiple circuits. For example, if you create a circuit here and create another here, so you just want to wear this circuits on the left and right, so you just uh, you just connect them with the wire, right? So assume that here is a circuit. Okay, fine. And also there is a circuit, so you have to connect them. You just want to connect them, so you just make circuit like this. Here's a circuit, here is a circuit, and you connect them with a wire, right? So assume that there are multiple circuits, so you have to connect. Here is another circuit, here is another circuit, so you have to connect with very long wires, and this will make this canvas very unclean and electrical wire, so you will be have hard times to understand this. So just delete this. Just delete, select, oops, sorry, cancel, and just select the select tool and delete these components. Okay, so for this reason we are gonna use the net levels. Net levels is like assigning a name. So you just press L to use a level property. So for me, just I created a level named Roborier. So just search the name Roborier. You can create any name, like your name or anything that matches. Just connect it here and wear this with the circuit. So right now, think like I want to create a circuit here. Just wear things. Okay, I cancel, wear again. Okay, connected, finish, and I want to add a resistor here. Connect an LED. Add LED there. So suppose that I want to connect this with this circuit. So for the first, or we just have to connect this with the wire, but we can use this net level or shortcut using here, right? Just press L and add the net level you just created and press OK, and you see the net level here. Just rotate the net level and connect the wire. So this circuit and this circuit is now physically connected. This means there is an invisible wire between this circuit connecting this one with that one. So this makes literally very clear without any extra wires. Okay, now we are going to assign the battery value, and then we are going to assign the footprints for resistor, LED, and the battery cell. So just right now delete this another circuit, we don't need this, and delete the footprint and the wire itself. And now assign the battery cell. So we are using a 3 voltage battery value. For here, just use 3 volt. Press OK and move this a little bit closer. So right now we are going to assign footprints. So what are footprints? So footprints are actually the physical components like the resistor you see in real life, the LEDs, and the battery holder. So we are going to assign footprints for this resistor, LED, and the battery cell. So just press E again, and just press E again here, and in the footprint you will have a lot of footprints for resistor. So just search resistor. Resistor, we are using THT. THT means through hole. So we are going to use a resistor that has one hole here and one hole in there. So for this type of LED, you can search here which LED has just two pins. You can see here are multiple pins. So I have one found in online, so I'm searching this, which is also available in the KiCad. So this is the LED with two through holes. So just add this to the footprint and press OK. So now that footprint of two through holes resistor is assigned to this resistor, and in the LED we are going to assign a 5mm LED, the usual LEDs we use. So just press E in the symbol and then assign the footprint. So search the LED SMD. So here you'll see the LED here assigned of the 5mm. Just press OK and then press OK. So this LED is also assigned in the footprint, you can see. And then we are going to assign the battery or the battery holder. Just press E again, and in the footprint you just open the footprint. So search for battery holder. You will have multiple type of battery holder. You will see their footprints, how they look. So I am using the Keystone. I found one in the online, just using this one. I will link all the footprints in the description and also in the website of the course. So just press OK and then add. So this is right now the complete circuit, and in the next video we will just make this 3D outlook, and also we'll go to the PCB editor. From this schematic editor we will switch to the PCB editor. So I think you liked the video and kept update to this version. The whole circuit is complete. So in the next video we will just switch to the PCB editor and we will have the 3D view of our PCB. So thanks for watching and stay tuned with this channel, and also check out this course, and thank you very much.